Alright, boys and girls, we've done a lot of practicing with handwriting with our different numbers. We've learned how to write number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Today you're going to learn how to write number 6. Number 6 is a number that we're going to use, and it's going to take the whole entire space from the top solid line of our sentence strip to the bottom solid line of our sentence strip, and we're even going to come back around to the middle dotted line in our sentence strip. So the first thing we got to do is make sure we have a nice clean board to use and our expo marker, and I want you to listen very carefully. In order to make a number 6, you make a curve, then a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. That's all there is to it. Make a curve, then a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Well, the first thing that I'm told to do is that I have to make a curve. And how I'm going to make a curve is with the number 6. This number actually starts on the top of your sentence strip. If I put a little dot right here, I'm going to start right on the top line of my sentence strip. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to the top line of my sentence strip to the bottom line, but I'm told to make a curve. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a curve. I'm going to start at the dot that I put at the top of my sentence strip, and I'm going to make a curve. Do you see how I'm not making a straight line? I'm coming down very slowly and sort of making a curve. Okay, so after I make that curve from the top of my sentence strip to the bottom, I am going to make a loop. And my loop is going to come up around just like a circle, and it's going to touch the middle dotted line of my sentence strip. Do you see how my curve is touching the middle dotted line of my sentence strip? And there are no tricks. That's how you make the number 6. So once again, I started at the top of my sentence strip on the solid line. Watch my expo marker as I go down. I go down and I make a curve, then a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. So I go from the top of my sentence strip to the bottom, making a curve. Then once I get to the bottom line, do you see how my 6 touches the bottom solid line? I put a dot right here. It touches all the way at the bottom. And then it comes around just how we've learned to make circles. We start around, we go to the middle dotted line, and then we come back and touch the curved line that we made. This is how you make a number 6. So once more, make a curve, then a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to come down and make a curve. Okay, once I make a curve, I'm going to go back up to the middle of my sentence strip, the dotted line, and make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. And that's exactly how you make a number 6. Now, go ahead while I am practicing writing number 6s. As you watch me, I would like you to go through, and I would like you to practice as well. So go ahead and take your expo marker, make it so it's very comfortable, and take your time. Start from the very top of your sentence strip, go all the way down, and come around. Okay, start from the top of your sentence strip, and you got to come down and make a curve, just like I am. Make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. And this is how you make the number 6. In a way, it's kind of like making our uppercase G letter that we've made. We start with a curve, but we come all the way completely around. We touch the middle dotted line, and then we kind of curve back down. We kind of make a circle, or a lowercase o. This is how you make the number 6. Now, does your 6 have to look exactly like my 6? No, it does not. As long as you're doing your best and you're making sure that your 6 touches the upper part, the top solid line, and the bottom, lower part, the bottom solid line, and that it curves around and makes a loop and touches the middle dotted line. So go ahead and take your time practicing that. When you're finished here watching this video, you can go over to the other teacher table and you can practice with the whiteboards as well. Good luck!